Hello good folks and welcome to Flipkart. I'm Radhika Dang and today we're going to check out the VU Premium Smart TV. This one comes in 4 screen sizes, 32-inch, 40-inch, 43-inch and 49-inch to suit a range of personal entertainment requirements. So let's dive straight into the features. To begin with, this range of Full HD Smart TV comes with an A+ grade HD or Full HD panel. What this means is that your picture will be deep, detailed, perfect and absolutely pure, with no disturbances or distortions whatsoever. So come to high quality viewing, folks. And what makes VU special here? Well, to begin with, only 5% of the TVs in the world come with an A+ grade rating. And VU is the only brand in India providing its viewers with an A+ grade panel. Now, how cool is that? This fantastic panel eliminates ambient light reflections, ensuring your picture is not disrupted by anything in the surroundings. So you no longer have to keep getting up and struggling with your curtains and lights to figure out where the breach is coming from. Now moving on, with Amplify speakers that have Dolby and DTS surround sound technology, this Smart VU TV welcomes you to the age of perfect quality sound that will blow you off your feet. Not only is your viewing experience going to be phenomenal with an immersive sound field, you're also going to feel like you're right in the middle of the action. With 10+10 watt box speakers to support its fantastic sound, this TV promises to transport you with each boom. Do you wish to listen to your movie privately without disturbing anyone? Well, just connect your headphones for superior hearing with your large screen viewing. Next up, the Premium OS is smart in this television. By smart, I mean that it has all your favorite entertainment apps. Netflix and YouTube are available as go-to buttons on your remote, so you don't have to sift through an entire menu of options to access them. Let's explore this one. Next up, this TV also enhances your gaming experience. It gives you the chance to beat your friends while enjoying the quality of picture display and sound only VU Premium Smart TV can give you. The Smart OS also makes sure that your TV viewing is seamless, running smoothly without any delays or glitches. Furthermore, you can connect this TV via Wi-Fi, Ethernet, DLNA, CEC, ARC, or any of the 3 HDMI ports or 2 USB ports. Do you want to view videos and images from your phone and share them with friends and family? Well, this is easy and pleasurable now. Just cast your smartphone, tablet or laptop to the VU Premium Smart TV and voila! It's all there on the big screen, visible in beautiful depth and color. And you no longer have people hovering all over you. Let's explore this. The elegant and classy plastic piano gloss of black on this TV adds a pulsating luminosity to your screen, giving your room a modern and classy look, blending right in with your new age lifestyle. Moving on, your premium smart TV can be table or wall mounted. With a resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels and wide viewing angle with dynamic contrast and backlight control, you could be sitting anywhere in the room, it won't make a difference to your experience. All of these features ensure that every single member of the family enjoys the same level of quality entertainment that very few other TVs can give you. Well, after all that, if you're still sitting on the couch, you're losing out on a stellar deal, my friend. What are you waiting for? Buy this premium smart TV on Flipkart and enjoy super quick delivery, hassle-free installation, an in-depth demo, and assured brand warranty. So what are you waiting for? Come join the Flipkart family now. That's all from me. Have a perfect buy.